Interesting. This sensor here I've damaged when I was doing the replacing this sort of gaskety type seal in the cam adjuster. So I'm going to change it. I've got another one here. This is a Febi sensor. It's just a thermometer, but this has got water in it. So I'm going to try and do this fast, so I don't lose much water, which should be rather amusing. This comes with a washer, which I'm going to put on here, ready to go. It's a 19mm spanner, which I've got. Let's pop that on there. I should, hopefully, yeah, so that's loosened very quickly. So I'm going to loosen this and expect to see water. Yeah, I can see water. And I'm going to try and swap this over very quickly. Oh, there's the washer. There you go. Hurrah! That's the old washer. That's the old sensor. I shall now just tweak that up with my magnificent spanner, like so. I'm not putting that to be massively tight. I think that's probably enough. And this connector then goes back onto here, like so, with a nice little click. There we go. Ready to go. That was easy. Thanks for watching.